The extraordinary variety of these ecosystems gives birth to an amazing level of endemism. Madagascar is truly a biodiversity hotspot, a haven for countless species that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. But these ecosystems face significant challenges, threatening the survival of their unique residents. When you think of Madagascar, what's the first creature that comes to mind? Yes, it's the lemur. These captivating primates are the crown jewels of Madagascar, found nowhere else on Earth. Over 100 different species thrive here, each more intriguing than the last. Take the ring-tailed lemur, for instance. Notorious for their black and white striped tails, they bask in the sun in a yoga-like pose to warm up in the morning. Then there are the tiny mouse lemurs, the world's smallest primates who come alive under the cover of darkness. Or the indri, known for its haunting, song-like calls that echo through the rainforest. However, these remarkable creatures face dire threats due to habitat loss and deforestation. As trees fall, so does their home, pushing them towards extinction. The survival of these lemurs is intricately tied to the health and well-being of Madagascar's ecosystems. The fight for their survival is a fight for the very soul of Madagascar. Beyond its rich biodiversity, Madagascar is also a tapestry of vibrant cultures. The island, nestled in the Indian Ocean off the southeastern coast of Africa, is a melting pot of African and Asian influences. This cultural fusion has given rise to a unique way of life that's as diverse as the island's flora and fauna. The island's history of settlement by African and Austronesian origins is reflected in every aspect of its culture, from language to traditions. Malagasy, the national language, is a testament to this blend, bearing traces of both African and Asian roots. French, a vestige of the colonial period, is also widely spoken, but it's not just the languages that reflect this cultural amalgamation. The traditions and customs of the Malagasy people, from their music and dance to their cuisine and craftsmanship, are a beautiful blend of influences from across the continents. Indeed, the cultural heritage of Madagascar is as diverse and unique as its wildlife. The extraordinary biodiversity of Madagascar is a treasure that needs protection. This island nation, a world within a world, teems with life found nowhere else on Earth. Yet, it is under threat. Vast tracts of lush rainforests are disappearing, replaced by barren landscapes. The lemurs, the crown jewels of Madagascar, are losing their homes. The challenges are immense, but not insurmountable. There are conservation efforts underway, working tirelessly to protect and preserve the unique biodiversity and cultural heritage of this enchanting island. These initiatives need our support, whether through donations, volunteering, or spreading awareness about the importance of preserving Madagascar's natural wonders. Madagascar's story is not just about the wildlife and the landscapes, it's about the people, their history, and their future. Their cultural tapestry is woven into the very fabric of the island, making it a vibrant, living museum of natural and human history. Together, we can ensure that the mysteries of Madagascar continue to captivate future generations.